We are planting a rain garden. I'm working with one of Hillsdale County's 4-H clubs, and they came up with this wonderful idea of putting the rain garden here at Country Living, the adult foster care home, as a community service project.
I think it'll be a good thing for them to come out and see, like, because they don't get out very often, and it would be nice for them to see like flowers and stuff growing, and there's lots of like ladies here who love flowers, and they just like to be outside some every once in a great while, and it'd be nice for them to see.
My daughters asked me, "Mom, do you think that they really like to watch us?" And we had a little discussion on the way over about that, and my older daughter said, "I bet it reminds them of when they were our age and they were doing this kind of work."
This is the only time that I get to get dirty.
Part of the 4-H pledge says, "I pledge my hands for larger service." And that's exactly what this 4-H club is doing here. They're involved in the community. Our community is very supportive of 4-H. And now this gives the kids here a chance to give back and a chance to be involved in the community and be active in the community as well.
Does anybody want to get up there and push it off? I thought so.
We covered up with this dirt, not the mulch, but just the dirt bed.
It's the coming together of lots of different people doing a positive thing, all ages, all races, working together to just make the world a more beautiful place.